These guys are probably gonna be like, this better be a kitchen clean. It's so dirty.
Oh, we really did not get that much.
So we went shopping and I got me some, oh, here's the camera. Some new Hey Dudes. I love these in the summer and the winter, really. Got Alden some shoes. He's just gonna come in and see them. He doesn't know. Oh, there it is.
Okay.
You ready to guess?
I can't wear Hey Dudes.
That's our mom.
Oh, okay. So,
Oh,
that's good.
you wanted me to get shoes.
Yeah.
Here's hers.
You're going to quit buying me shoes.
We're not buying you shoes. You got paint on your head.
I know it.
Mm-hmm. Okay, open them up. If you don't like them,
I don't know if I'm
you
wearing
take
them.
back.
For 11s.
You wear 11.
Or 12s. These are extra wide. I'll try them though.
You wear 12? I thought you wore 12 in boots, 11 in.
That's alright, I'll try them.
Well, look at them and see if you like them.
Okay.
Well, I don't want you to wear them for too small.
Well,
You're gonna like them though, because they're all
as long as
black.
you bought you shoes, that's fine. That's what I meant. Yeah. I like them.
We tried to get ones that the soles weren't too thick.
That's the only thing they have. Well, take them back and exchange them for.
Oh, I will.
I mean, for sure.
You're so confident.
We look at the shoe sizes like he wears one thing in boots, one thing in tennis
We
shoes.
looked at those boots. Maybe they were 13s on it.
No,
Or
you're-
12s and everything.
you used to wear something different. Well, slip them on your feet and see.
Extra wide. Oh my god. We're so stupid.
You said they're extra wide, that's good.
What? I thought he had long feet.
Well, just try them. Just slip them on your foot and see what you
Well,
think.
I'm going to, chill.
Well, let's get the show on the road. Don't waste my battery.
Well, I took your
This is
advice.
yours.
You said you wanted all black shoes.
Yeah, I like them.
It's the thought that counts.
You know that.
I told you to take them back. You don't
Well,
like
that's
them,
our
do you?
fault. We got the wrong size.
No, I do.
I like that she can tell you don't want them. Okay, well,
The width don't feel bad.
here's the bag and the receipts in there. So,
Take back my own shoes. Yeah.
Oh, tell them that Heather didn't get shoes.
yeah, I told her to come pick some shoes out, and she came to the mall and wouldn't pick them out. She was like, I don't want to get on today. I was like, okay. I think.
Do you actually like them? Like, you can be honest, Dad. If you don't, it's
No,
fine.
I like them all right. They're just so expensive.
They had, I think they had a black pair for 99. So
See,
you should
that's
try
why-
those on too. You should take them back yourself. I got 2 bowls for Alden for work.
Well,
Actually,
Mom,
yes, you might like those.
can't do anything nice for anyone.
As long as the lids stay with the bowl.
It's, yes, these are yours. Write your name on them.
Thing.
I know, I'm gonna write your name on them.
I did a little bit of talking.
Well, I'm still working on that one side. And since you're home, you can help me. I'm glad of it.
Dad, you did just fine without me.
I can finish the middle and then I'm done that side. It's not covered real good. I dropped my brush. Had to get another one, so this brush didn't like keep working there. Maybe it's brush.
It's a romper.
Got some more markers.
Since her and Lacey color all the time, I got Lacey a little
Oh,
color book.
It's so pretty.
This is the shoe store at the mall.
I gotta do her hair, huh?
Is this the shoe store at the mall?
Yeah, the shoe department next to TJ Maxx.
I hate going to the mall.
Can't do anything nice for me.
Whose hair you gonna do?
Mine.
It's Allie's.
Why don't y'all leave your hair alone?
I don't do my hair.
All you do is take up your mother's time.
Hey, she was the one that said she was doing my hair. I didn't
Heather will
ask
be
her.
here in a few minutes. She can help you.
Yeah, make Heather do it.
I thought that was so pretty. I normally don't buy home decor, but here I am. In my 50s, rocking it. Alice,
Yeah. Oh,
you also got these.
I forgot. All of them.
There's shorts and there's a black pair.
What you bring to eat, Allie?
There's 2 cheeseburgers, there's 20 chicken nuggets, and 2 basket fries. Girl, I forgot I had yogurt in here.
You push me back against the wall. I try my best to turn away, but lips collide and there we go. I'm not as strong as I believe. I thought that you were over me, but hearts collide and here we go. Swiftly picturing us last year when we had tried.
You're on camera. I don't know if you want to be.
I felt it before.
Nothing makes people scatter like telling them that they're on video. But this was by no means a deep clean. I just wanted to get the dishwasher loaded, counters cleared off a little bit. We still have stuff sitting around, like some hair stuff from Sally's. My shoes are up on the counter, just different things. And then Heather brought in some things, so I was gonna put those away. We were having steak on this night, so I do season those and then I tenderize them. But other than that, we had so many things going on that I just threw the camera up and I was going to show you guys what we got while we were out and then left it rolling while I picked this kitchen up a little bit.
Great escape, to what degree will we go back to you and me? It's really painful to return if this will end up like before. Still, you're the one that I adore. Swiftly picturing us last year when we had trust. I felt it before, too strong to ignore. The timing was wrong back then. I felt it before, 'cause you've opened a door. Can we reunite again? It's like deja vu.
So that's my birdie.
What are they gonna do to it? Be careful, that cat's probably.
That would be a snack for the cat.
Yeah. Swap mode. Uh-oh, it's Leanne's lips. Likely quit.
He's a little scared of it.
Please don't go. Please don't go. Please don't go. Lights down low. Still wondering what you're saying. Please don't go. I'd rather have you staying. What is this game you're playing? Even if it hurts with time, we were never meant to fight. Something at the finish line. Stay, stay, stay. Even if we're short on time, at least we'll never wonder why this love was so hard to find. Stay, stay, stay.
Lexi brought Allison some of her nail polishes that she's not using, and instead of putting them in a bag or whatever, she just brought her drawer from her vanity. So I wanted to get it cleaned out, that way she can take that back home and put that back in her own. But I was trying to sort these out and just like line them up, no rhyme or reason, just to get them out and sit them up. But Allison got a treadmill, and it's nothing expensive. I think it was just like $189, so it's not huge, and it's, you know, she don't have room for anything huge. but she needed to clean her room and make a spot for that. So you'll see in just a few minutes that we bring it up, put it together, show you guys what it's like. She loves it. She's been wearing it out. She's very into walking. She'll walk our neighborhood every day. And I only let her go around our circle. I don't let her go toward the end of our subdivision, but I'm not crazy about her walking by herself, especially with earbuds in. And I know she's like, Mom, it's no big deal. Nothing's going to happen. But I watch a lot of Dateline, and I know things like that can happen. And I just don't like her being young and vulnerable and somebody snatching her up. But I do tell her she has to stay where I can see her at all times. She hates that. But, you know, I'm the mom, I'm the parent, and I'll do what I think's best. And she has to go by my rules. But kids don't realize what can happen, I think, or they think that it can't happen to them. But it is starting to warm up, and it's going to be super hot soon. And on rainy days, things like that, she's got a treadmill. So she likes it. It's big enough for her. It's all she needs. But she's been loving that. She loves to walk, like I said. And it's good for her to stay in shape, being an athlete. But she was just cleaning her room. And in a few minutes, Alden and her is going to carry this treadmill up. Alden's shirt says inmate. And I promise I didn't just bail him out of jail. He wanted shirts for him and Allison and Lakely to match, and Allison did inmate shirts, and it was so funny. But he does wear it around the house. He wouldn't wear that out, and Lakely sleeps in hers. So anyway, that's what the shirt is all about, because I knew some of y'all would be curious.
Ready, let me have another day. Don't wake up, wake up. Keep it steady, cause I'm happy. I'm not gonna wake up. No, no, not yet. Whoa, no, not yet. Whoa, no, no, not yet. Whoa, I'm afraid I'll end up nowhere. They keep saying I'll be fine, but how you know that I'll be there when it feels like I'm lying every time someone asks how it goes, and I save the details that actually mean something. Sun is shining, but the rain is welcome too. Friends are nearby, don't need another view. Time is not on my mind, but then it's you. Oh, I love it when the love comes around, and then I remember all things must pass.
My breeches better fall off.
Your pants?
Yeah, these breeches too big.
If Dad's pants fall off, get it on camera.
I will. Did you vacuum?
I did. Can you tell?
No. Something's on your floor. Screwdriver? How did I know you'd hit that chair?
It's coming.
It is comfortable.
So you gonna open it?
I don't have anything to open it with.
Then go get something.
You have
Where's
a...
your scissors?
You have something, don't you?
You even got nowhere up here to put it.
It's going right there.
It can be a
I'm
family
not gonna
affair.
lie, I don't know what that is.
What is that?
I just said I don't know what that is. I had to get the from Lakely.
Poor Lakey. She gets a blame for everything.
First, she
She
chocolate
don't
from her ice cream.
ever
No.
do nothing.
Put it right over there. Open the box.
Hey, hang on. I gotta find that spot. You stepped right in it. Is your sock wet?
Yes.
Thank you. You want to stay up here? Look at me cleaning and soaking something together. Here, sit in this chair. That's an eyelash.
Well, that does make sense.
How'd you vacuum?
I did vacuum. I have it on camera.
So this thing ain't got a motor on it?
I don't know.
Are you
looked at it.
serious? It's just a walking pad?
I believe it is.
Allie, you didn't go buy one with a motor?
You looked at it.
Well,
It
maybe
said walking
does.
pad treadmill.
I guess it won't matter. I mean, if you walk, you control the speed by yourself.
Roll.
No, it's horsepower, ain't it?
So since the motor don't plug it
Wasn't it something horsepower? 3?
What's horsepower?
How many horses it take to pull it if you chain horses up?
Actually,
That's how they plowed and stuff, was horsepower. How many horses?
Oh, you're in luck.
That's
It's got a
300
motor on it.
horses.
it has a motor.
Says it does.
So how many horses would it take to pull that? 300. Does that make sense?
Take the white things out,
It
Allie.
don't make sense, does it? So what horsepower is? I always thought it was though.
Here, we got one of them.
Well, it's probably already pretty much put together, too.
You just gotta put the stand on the spring on it.
How do you vacuum?
That's how you burn more calories from walking.
I guess it,
That's not how you walk on it.
Well, it's gonna be moving.
It won't work without
No.
this. Don't let Likely lose it. You let Likely lose that key, you ain't walking nowhere.
you need to back it away from the wall, because that thing that holds your phone and stuff.
It ain't gonna fit either. You need to move it over too, away from the bed, so your arms can.
No.
Okay, get your bed on it.
You try it first.
No.
Yes, I'm scared.
I don't know how to work it. I can't see.
Okay, I got it. I'll work it, you walk. Okay.
My bridge is gonna get hung up in that belt.
2, 1. How do you... Wait, give me the book. Where's the book? It's right here.
I'll never get there. Not at that speed.
You breastfeed that while you're on there.
Yeah.
Okay, y'all can leave now. Thanks for coming. Y'all are not watching me walk.
Yeah, we are.
No,
I can
no.
film it.
Okay, you can film it. Well,
Elise, thank
does it tell you how much miles you walk?
Yeah.
You ain't walked none yet.
See what you did there? Because I haven't walked on it yet.
That's right. I thought you was going to wear it out when you got it.
This is. I'm glad it has a motor in it.
Waiting, wandering and fading, I know.
Like I said, it's nothing big or fancy, but it's exactly what she needs. If she continues to walk and just uses it a whole bunch, then later we might look into getting her something bigger and a little better. But for now, it's fine. But thank you guys so much for watching. I love you guys. Jesus loves you, and I'll see you guys soon.
You can have all the world. I wanna be a shining light, live a life that shows through the